What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the cabin air filter on your RAM. We're going to remove the clip here. You're going to do this just by pushing forward and then pulling out. Unfortunately, the glove box is fairly rigid, so it is kind of difficult to remove. So what you'll do is you'll take your hand and pull outward and push down. This takes a couple of attempts. This is what you end up with. Glove box is removed. Next, you're going to locate your cabin air filter that can be found behind this lid. So you're going to pull the tabs out. There's two tabs, one on each side of the air box. And there's your air filter. Note the airflow box. Let's install the new K&N air filter. Just simply slide this one in where the old one was. Takes a little bit of work. The letters are facing the right direction. You can read them, they're not upside down. Then just take your end cap and push it back over the end and it clicks in place. Alright, next we gotta reinstall the glove box. Just locate the three tabs on the bottom and put them in the proper location. Push the glove box back into place. And lastly, reattach the cable. Be sure to check out more of my content coming soon. Also, please check out the links in my description for anything shown in this video. Also, if you found anything useful here, make sure to like and subscribe.